Welcome to my studio tour. Check it out. I make a lot of music these days, just jamming, having fun, playing live, and I thought I'll give you guys a bit of a tour. So we got this is over here, we got this is Teenage Engineering. This section is pretty much all just modular, and then over here we have Teenage Engineering, Erica Sims, drum, basically, a couple of Moogs, subharmonica, and Labyrinth. And then we got Oxy 1 sequencer, Push 3, sequential, Prophet, Rev 2, 16 voices, Ableton, couple of KRK monitors, and over here we have this beautiful Arturia and Moog for some bass. So this is pretty much my setup. Nothing fancy, nothing too crazy. This section I'll leave for now. It is next level. But let's make a quick little beat. I just started playing. This is where I spend a lot of time. This is amazing. I really love this because you can actually make a lot of different things on this. You got the drums over here, and here it can be bass. You can record that just by pressing record. You can add other things. You can actually put some arpeggio here. Super sick. I love this. When I travel, when I go out of the house, I love it. I'll take it with me. It is amazing. We got this Erica Sims is also pretty fun. The sound is so deep on this. Like I'll bring this down, you can hear this. So you go. This is it's quite aggressive, and you can actually design your own sound, so you can change it. It is super sick. Then you got Prophet, obviously, and this is where you can control everything. So I can actually come over here and play this. So if I bring it up, there's a melody in here. Then we got over here, we got the bass. So we got the note playing from here. If you actually look, you can see the note. And then we can, and then we got this bad boy over here. This is so beautiful. Love Arturia. So with this you can record it over here, or you can actually come to the push and record it into the Ableton. So if I come over here and go Polybrute, you can hear it. Whoa, that sounds pretty crazy. Okay, why is that? Something going on with the MIDI. But let me change the sound maybe. Whoa. Well, that sounds right. Okay, let's try that again. I think it's the aftertouch. Let's change the sound. Let's come up with something like a fixed length, 4 bars. Sounds terrible, but maybe we can fix it over here. Something else. Oh Jesus. Not a massive fan, but you know how it is. We're just jamming, playing stuff, and something will come up. This is a whole different beast, so probably won't cover this. Modular is next level. Very confusing. I can see there's a lot of wires. You gotta connect everything up. I probably have to make another video if you guys wanna see that. If you wanna see that, it's gonna be a whole different video. It's gonna be a whole different video. So let's jam on this a little bit more. This is my favorite. I love this. Here we go. Record. Check this out. We go here, we go. Favorite. So fun. Teenage engineering, so fun. Unlimited fun. Alright, that's pretty much it. That is the tour. If you want to see Modular, let me know. I can post some stuff about Modular as well. It is amazing. See you guys in the next one.